In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable local transfer on Steam. So first, go ahead and open Steam on your computer and let it fully load like normal. You want to make sure everything is settled on the main interface so nothing is still loading in the background, because we're going into the client settings and it's better when Steam is fully responsive. Once you're on the main screen, you'll see the usual layout with your library, store, and other tabs across the top. Now look up to the top left corner of the Steam window. This is where Steam keeps its main application menu, separate from your game library controls. Go ahead and click the Steam icon there. When you click it, a drop down menu will appear with several options related to the Steam client itself, like settings, updates, and account level features. From that menu, click Settings. This opens a separate settings window where all of Steam's configuration options are organized. It might take a second to pop up depending on your system, but once it's open, you'll see a sidebar on the left with different categories you can switch between. Now in that sidebar, look for the Downloads tab. Go ahead and click it. This section is where Steam manages things like download speed, update behavior, and network related features. It's also where the local transfer option is located. So this is the correct place for what we're doing. Once you're inside Downloads, take a moment to scan the available options in the main panel. You'll see different toggles and settings that affect how Steam downloads and handles game data. What we're focusing on here is the feature related to transferring game files across devices on the same network. Look for the option labeled Game File Transfer over Local Network. When you find it, you'll see a toggle switch next to it. Go ahead and switch that toggle to On. As soon as you enable it, Steam allows your device to use local network transfer features, which can help move or share game files more efficiently between computers on the same network. Once you turn it on, the setting is usually applied immediately, so there's no extra save button you need to press. You can just leave the settings window after that, and Steam will keep this feature enabled in the background. At this point, local transfer support is active, meaning Steam can now take advantage of nearby devices on the same network when downloading or moving game files. This can make installations faster in certain situations since it reduces the need to re-download everything from the internet. If you ever want to turn it off again, you can come back to the same download section and toggle it back whenever needed. It's designed to be flexible so you can switch it depending on your network setup or preference. And that's it. A quick and simple way to enable local transfer on Steam by turning on the built-in network file sharing option inside the download settings.